Reading Pandas by Mamta Siroya, Phonics and an Early Literacy Program.
Hi, welcome back. This is Mamta Siroya here. I'm the founder of Reading Pandas, a Phonics and an Early Literacy Program. Now today what I'm going to teach you is how to read CVC words with the vowel O. Now before I begin, let's call out for Betty. Hi Betty! Betty the whoopee is here. Hello everybody! Okay Betty, do you know what are CVC words? Oh yeah, I know. They are cupcake and cookies. Cupcake and cookies? No, you don't know them. I want you to sit here in our class and learn how to read CVC words. Alright. Now before I show you how to read these words, I would like to mention that very often when you teach the child to read CVC words, which are consonant, vowel and consonant words, we teach them in 3 isolated phonemes. For example, t, a, p. And we come across students, sometimes they just get stuck or they just freeze and they're unable to string these 3 phonemes together, and they might land up reading it as Tim or Pat or maybe just something else. And therefore the technique today that I'm going to talk about is called Successive Blending, which is very effective in establishing better reading fluency, as it reduces the burden on the child's short-term memory. Now this technique involves blending in the consonant and the vowel together first and then letting in the last sound. So now let's begin. Now before I start, let me remind you the short vowel sound for O is O. O as in octopus. So let's start. N, O, no. R, O, ro. K, O, ko. H, O, ho. L, O, lo. D, O, do. And P, O, po. G, O, go. Now once the child has mastered the consonant and the vowel together, we will get in the last sound. No, t, not. Ro, t, rot. Ko, t, got. Ho, t, hot. Lo, t, lot. Do, t, dot. Po, t, pot. And then the last one, go, t, got. I think Betty and all of you are getting better at reading CVC words. Now moving on to the next set of words. So let's continue blending. G, O, go. K, O, ko. P, O, po. N, O, no. And R, O, ro. And now let's find out what's the last sound. Go, d, god. Ko, d, cod. Po, d, pod. No, d, not. And ro, d, rod. Very good reading and very good blending, children. And of course, Betty. I hope she's getting better. Now let's move on to the next set of words. Okay, now let's move on to blending first. Don't forget the consonant and the vowel first. Mo, ko, po, and ho, and to. And now let's check in the last sound. Mo, p. P was the last sound, and we blend it to read the CVC word as mop, mop. Ko, p, cop. Po, p, pop. Ho, p, hop. And the last one, to, p, top. Very good blending and very good reading, children. Moving on to some more practice. I hope you haven't forgotten. We've got to blend in the consonant and the vowel first. Jo, do, ho, lo, b, and fo. And now let's get in the last sound. Jo, g, jog. Do, g, dog. Ho, g, hog. Lo, g, log. Bo, g, bog. And then fo, g, fog. Very good, children. I hope Betty and all of you are getting better and fluent with reading CVC words. Now let's read in to the next set of words. Now let's read these words. I hope you haven't forgotten that you got to blend in the consonant and the vowel first. Lo, ho, mo, ko, jo, ro, and so. And now peekaboo. What is the last sound? Let's see. Lo, p, lob. Ho, p, hob. Mo, b, mob. Ko, b, cob. Jo, b, job. Ro, b, rob. And the last one is so, b, sob. I think that was wonderful blending by Betty and all of you. And now we have the last set of words before we wrap up this tutorial. So are we ready to read these last two words here? Bo and fo. And then let's get in the last sound. Box. Box. Yes. And fox. Fox. Wonderful blending and wonderful reading by all of you, and I hope Betty is getting better too. So this was a detailed tutorial on how to read CVC words with the vowel O. If you have found this helpful, then do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. I've also added detailed tutorials of other segments of CVC words. Do check in the link mentioned in the description below. Thank you so much for stopping by and see you soon there.